Yo guys, what's going on? It's Pineapple. And in today's video we're going to be making a simple port scanner in Python. Now basically what this port scanner will do is you input the host IP that you want to scan and find an open port, and it will search for the open ports. Now what we're going to want to do first is import sockets. We're going to want to save this file. Desktop port scan. We'll call this port s. Make sure we put the .py extension if you don't have Python installed. Video will be up in a card. So now we're going to want to create our socket object. So it's s.socket, socket.socket, and then put in here socket dot af, and then it's inet, and then a comma, and then here we're going to have socket dot, and then it's going to be sock stream. Alright, so there's our socket all set up. So now we're going to want to create now we're going to want to be able to prompt the user to ask the input for what we want for the IP they want to scan. So we're just going to put target, TAR. We're going to say target equals input. Enter a IP to scan. Alright. Now we're actually going to be doing the port scanning. So we're going to want to create a function. We'll name it pscan. And it's going to take in port. Don't forget our indentation. And we're going to use a trycatch statement. So we're going to say try, and then we're going to set a connection object up to s.connect. And in here, this takes in a tuple, and it's going to be the target and the port. So, and then we're going to want to also do port. Now, if it can connect to this, we actually want to return the value of true, because it did work. Now, we're going to use our accept. Under that, we're going to want to return false because nothing happened. So after this, we're going to want to create a for loop. So we'll say for x in range, and then in here we'll put how many ports we want to go through. So I'll just put the first 25. After this, we're going to want to create an if statement. So we'll say if pscan, and then in here put x. And then we'll put port, and inside of here we'll say, oh, I'm sorry, it's print, and then we'll say we're going to use a formatted string, and then we'll put port, and then we'll use our two curly brackets, and we'll say is open. Now this is working. So, yo guys, what's going on? I'm recording this after the fact. The end of this recording did get corrupted, and I just wanted to let you know to join the Discord. Code's in the description. Sorry for not being on the show at all, but I hope to see you all next time. Peace.